Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B, BC equals to 12 cm and AB equals to 5 cm. Calculate the radius of the circle inscribed in the triangle. And we have given 4 options. Let us draw first a right angled triangle ABC and draw one circle which is inscribed in that triangle centered at O. Draw radius. We have to find the radius of that circle. Let this meets at point M and here at point P and AC at point Q. Suppose this distance is A and here we have given this AB is 5 centimeters. Then BC is 12 centimeters. And AC, we have to find this AC. As we know that tangents drawn from the external point of the circle are of same length, so that lengths are same, AA, BB and this CC. Now, here we have given AB equals to 5 centimeters, BC equals to 12 centimeters. So, by using Pythagoras theorem, we can find the length of side AC as AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. So, substituting values here, 5 square plus 12 square equals to 25 plus 144, which is 169. So taking square root on both the sides, we get AC equals to 13 centimeter. Now AM equals to AQ equals to A. This is because tangents drawn from external point of the circle are of same length. Tangents drawn from external point of a circle are of equal lengths. So similarly here, MB equals to BP equals to B and CQ equals to PC equals to this length C. Now we know by observing this figure, AB equals to A plus B, which is 5 centimeters. Then BC equals to B plus C, so it is 12 centimeter, and AC equals to A plus C, which is 13 centimeters. So solving these three simultaneous equations, solving one, 2, 3, 4 A, B, C, we get A equals to 3, B equals to 2 and C equals to 10. As we know that tangent is perpendicular to the radius, is perpendicular to the radius. Therefore, OMBP is a square with side B. Hence, the lanes of the radius of the circle the length of the radius of the circle inscribed in the right angle triangle is here B equals to 2 centimeters. So it is 2 centimeter. So from available options we have option A as 2 centimeters.